Want to know if someone saved your number in WhatsApp? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily find out if they have saved your number or not. First thing first, move into your application WhatsApp. Make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once you're logged in, click on this plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you have to click on New Broadcast. From here, select the contact of one of the person that you have saved on your device. After that, select the person you think they haven't saved your number on WhatsApp. Once you have selected, tap on Create at the top right corner of the screen. Now simply enter any of the messages and click on Send. Once the message has been sent to two of the person, now if you go to their inbox manually, and if you see the two tick mark which says delivered, then it means that they have saved your number. But if two tick mark is not there and only one is there, then it means that they haven't saved your number yet. So this way you can easily find out if they have saved your number on WhatsApp or not. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.